Welcome back, boys. Review time with
It's cough
Mush.
What is up, guys? Today we are checking out Magic Potion candy drink thing. Candy drink thing. Yeah, Magic Potion. Get. Woo! Magic Potion. Yeah. Mystery flavor. I saw this the other day at a store called Five Below. They got a lot of cool things. And this pea-colored candy drink is what caught my eye. So what you do is you take this here, tablets. There's a couple tablets in here, and as you see, 1, 2, 3 steps. You drop them in there, and it makes the actual candy drink. I've seen stuff like this way back in the day, you know, the good old days of like doing weird candies, and so yeah, whatever. This is made by Raindrops, that's the company. Never heard of them. There's a bunch of all that crap that's not good for you, I'm sure, you know. Nobody likes yellow. That's where the pea color comes from. But yeah, there it is. Pretty neat. Yeah. Don't know if it's like a sour, sweet, or something. He seems to be having a good time. His half-cut head and arm gone. Yeah. So yeah, we're gonna check this out. Let's see what's it all about. Oh yeah. So it's pretty cool. Best before 2021. Let's see what's up. If I can. Oh yeah, keep that open. It's got a little protective. Get that. All right. Oof. Ew. It smells really bad. Like without the stuff. Ooh. Something. I don't even know. I almost want to say bleach, but not quite. Ooh. Okay. Ooh. Those also smell really bad. Oof. They look like little sweet tart type things, but they are not. Let's see, we're gonna do it together. Ooh, fancy. Let's get them all in there. Ooh, a little bit spilled before. It's got like a soury kind of taste. I do like my sour. Ooh, is it leaking? I don't know. Ugh, getting like it all on me, even though I just opened it. It's pretty cool, pretty cool. Sorry it's taking for long.
8 hours later.
Okay, woo, holy shit, that took for fucking ever. Holy cow, minutes we're talking. Minutes for this. Oh, it's still going and going, and it smells like fucking dish soap after all that, so that was just a waste of everybody's fucking time. Let's see how it goes. It's like, it wants to be sour, but it's scared. It tastes like sour-ish. Sweet and sticky. I don't want to say sticky. It's like syrup. It's like syrupy juice. I don't know what the hell the flavor is supposed to be. I'm guessing a berry. Blueberry, I'll go with. We'll say blueberry just for the sake of it, because the mystery flavor sticker has a bunch of fruits with sunglasses, like they're being mysterious. And I don't know, it tastes like slightly tart dish soap. I like a gimmick, but oh, it doesn't get better. Magic Potion, the wonderful changing candy, gets an astonishingly great 1 out of 5. I've had vastly better. I want my, I think, $3 back. Trash.
Like, comment, and subscribe, but don't forget to vibe.
What is up, guys? Today,